So far I've been out here, man, who knows how long I've been out here, y'all. I'm kind of tired right now, and Ocean Squad members are still pulling up. Say what's good to the Wave fam, bro.
Man, Ocean Squad, surf.
Well, I got you. Oh, I can't even see.
He's not wave, man.
My guy said he been waving for 6 months. He just a beginner, but bro, keep putting in that work, you gonna get that progress.
Stay consistent, stay wavy. Yeah. That's all you gotta do. Stay wavy.
My guy right here said he been waving since 1 year old.
Since out the womb, boy. Yo, stay wavy, man.
Unrock for the Wave fam. Or are they not ready for that?
You're not ready for that.
Ocean Squad ain't ready. You gonna unrock for the Ocean Squad? They ain't ready yet.
They're not ready yet. Catch me in another 6 months.
Will these 2 360 waivers unwrap before the end of the video? Stay tuned for the next episode. 3WP.
Catch my brother in the 6 months. His shit gonna be on swim. Wave fam just chilling over here.
Shit gonna go back.
My guy said it took him 2 days to get waves.
2 days, man. Water, brush. Water, brush.
Do y'all believe him?
I believe
You believe him?
Yeah, it's possible.
But let us see the waves.
Oh, man.
Let us see the waves. I didn't see nothing.
Nah.
He said he got waves in 2 days.
Well, my thing. Put your drape.
I see him a little bit through the do-rag. Yeah, I believe.
Oh shit, like all my life, I've been brushing my head. You ain't trained. Yeah, it's already trained type shit.
Yeah.
I can cut it.
That's how like my grandpops is like, the joints is there. He been waiting for like 40 years, so you know, the joints is there, so like, he cut his joint low, but now he...
Daquan just pulled up with the suit-rag on. Say what's good, bro.
What's good? I'm out here. I'm glad to be out here with everybody.
How you feeling, bro?
I'm feeling wavy, yo.
Oh, he about to unsue. He about to unsue. Hold on, let me get this way right here.
I got folks in my back.
It's all cool. Got the boo-boo cap on? Okay.
I'm trying.
My guy reloaded. You need the fork breaker for them forks, bro.
Nah, yo, I'm about to ask you got any brushes on you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely need one, man.
Alright, for sure.
Hey.
Hey, anybody take it anywhere. Like, thank you. They be like, thank you. Lux came out. What's good, Lux?
What's goody though?
How you feeling?
I'm feeling wavy, you know that.
Hey.
You know that.
Hey.
What's up though? How's your trip in New York so far?
So far it's good.
So far it's good?
Yeah.
That's what's up.
I met a lot of waivers out here. They came out. They showing mad support.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should have
So I
came
like-
last week, man.
Man, I knew y'all had it. Like, I figured out like 2 days before, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, dang, I'm going the next week.
Talking about the
Yeah, he was just talking about it earlier.
I missed it.
You wasn't there?
Nah.
Someone looked like I wasn't there. I had to work. Yeah, bro, listen, it's okay. Next time, I'm definitely. We had over 100 people in attendance, so next time we can count y'all in, right?
I was busy.
That was your second time doing it too, right?
Second time in New York.
Yeah.
Third time, Coney Island, we did it DC.
Okay.
And back to New York.
Okay.
So the next one, we think is somewhere west.
I feel it.
We ain't gonna tell too many people about it.
If y'all come, let me know to the west.
Oh, of course. Of course. Yo, June, come get this guy. Come get this guy, bro.
Where June at?
You're supposed to pull up.
What's good with you, June?
He thinks that.
I'm back here until 5:30.
5:30, okay. What time is it, about 3?
Man, tell me about it. So far, I'm at like a good 20, 30 Ocean Squad members. It's really dope, man. Shout out to everybody who came out so far, man. That's mad love, man.
First of all, he's sitting at about 5'3". Oh, you in there? You in the vlog, boy?
What's good, June? Everybody know 2 Nights June.
He said, I'm on my way.
Oh, June on the way. My bad, bro.
June better be on the way. I don't really brush him.
Oh, yeah, he said he ain't ragging today.
You all ragged? Oh.
My guy ain't playing no games.
That's what I should have brought, just that. Yeah, I didn't bring a brush, I should have just brought the plastic bag.
Playing on the hotel? You gonna keep that on the hotel? Oh yeah, I did. You gonna keep it on? You gonna take it off? I'm not even.
You taking yours off? What up?
Yeah, he got him under there. I can see him through the do-rag.
I'm just
My guy's spinning.
inside, out. So waves start inside. People don't understand.
You know, it's crazy. I had this brush. Logo is still on there.
Yeah.
Since last December, logo is still on there. That's crazy.
Do you use it?
Yes, constantly.
Okay, yeah, that's dope, bro. This one right here, yeah, this logo, that one tough. He said he never tried a plastic bag. He been waving his whole life. But he said he gonna try it when he go home.
You get a whole thing of
plastic bags.
Yeah.
This course here need help, bro.
Most I do is probably my hands and water and brush my shit.
They're getting that brush work in. He ain't playing no games.
That may be on rags, so I feel like I gotta put the work in.
He ain't playing no games.
Washington Square Park. It's like 4th Street. It's a hard one.
You gotta work on them connects right there in the back, but besides that, the patterns in there. Huh?
This is a week of work.
That's 1 week?
1 week.
He says 1 week. You believe that?
I'm not gonna lie, I believe him.
He don't got no reason to lie though.
He don't got no reason to lie.
Hey, that's some quick progress.
Yo, that's a fact. What are you currently using, like, as far as product? Just brushing. Brushing. I wash and condition like regular.
Yeah, that's the secret.
Yeah, I don't.
Because it's a lot of beginners right now pressed because you said that's 1 week, and that's probably like a couple months for them. But tell me this.
Listen, everybody process different, man. You gotta trust your process, man.
Speak that fact, bro.
Yeah.
Speak that fact.
Tell me this though, bro. Have you had waves before?
Yes.
See,
I had waves before.
Yeah. See, when you first started, did you get progress that fast? The first time you ever started?
First time I ever started? No.
Yeah.
I was
See.
brushing wrong.
Okay.
Once you gotta learn your fill pattern.
Yeah.
So like I think once you know your hair, then
Yeah.
you could just.
Okay.
But listen, I scout the same time, leg scout. Then I tried that I was gonna take it serious. I didn't. Cut my hair too low every time. She'd be mad at me for that. But I don't care.
Yo, bro, he cut in my house every 2 weeks. Hold it. Let me see the one guard. Like, bro, I've been wolfing for 3 months. Like, what do you mean a one guard, bro?
But now, I think she finally wore me down. So now I'm ready to take it serious. This is 1 week of work, though.
Like, you gotta understand that it's not coming in a week or 2. It's gonna take some time, and people trying to rush it. Trust the process.
Yeah, don't rush
Say that again. Trust the process. Like y'all letting that go over your head.
Trust your process.
Uh-oh. I see. Now don't get shot. Don't get
Pulling
shot.
up. They pulling up. He ain't playing no games. What was that? What'd you say?
I said, do y'all still put y'all do-rag in the, put y'all do-rag in the mirror?
Yeah.
If I'm putting it in the mirror,
Hey, that's a good question.
If
Yeah.
I'm out and about, I could do my do-rag on.
Usually I do it in the mirror. I don't care.
After
He said no.
I did this walking.
Blunt.
After the shower, like, it depends though. Like, after the shower or brush session, I probably do it in the mirror, but if I'm out and about, I can definitely rag right there.
it's like tying your shoes. Come on.
Oh, he put out the sue rag.
Okay. Double compression.
Doubles. I got the boo cap too.
Man, I got a
I should have worn a peach.
do-rag is a do-rag. That is the truth though.
I'm not gonna lie. I used to be on that.
This a poly right here?
Yeah, this is definitely a poly. And I rep it hard.
Nah, this ain't no poly. Well, actually it is. It is.
What is that?
This is a poly. But it's a silky poly.
It's not a silky poly.
It's a poly.
It can't be both. It's not.
That's a contradiction.
It's not mixed blended.
This
Tell everybody.
this got to be a blend because this is similar to the one I got. It's a blend.
Y'all sure? Y'all sure? Yeah, tell me.
I don't know.
Tell me. Definitely.
It's not. It's silky.
It's silky. Oh yeah. But it's okay. This is nowhere near poly. Nowhere near.
It's the same, bro.
Oh shit.
But it's a silky one.
Okay. That's what I be trying to like. I like to know, like.
Yeah. I think it's just funny, you know what I'm saying? When they be like burning all poly. Like, it's funny. I be laughing and shit when they be doing that.
I was the one person there that's like, nah, I'm not. They tried to take mine, I'm like, nah.
They try to take your poly?
Yeah, they know, like, it's not coming off.
It wasn't coming off? They try to take this one?
Yeah.
Hey, that poly been through it.
It's not happening. Alejandro, the poly god. Follow me at the poly god.
But that's a silky poly, Alejandro.
I gotta look him up. Still made out of polyester.
They like, hey, that's a contradiction. Ain't no silky polys.
Who I am. He checked me real quick.
If it ever becomes a mixed blend,
What you
then
mean?
it's gonna fuck the game up.
Oh,
That's what Red by Kiss is. It's silk and satin.
well, silk is a natural. You know what I'm saying? That's a natural, and polyester is synthetic, right? You don't like it synthetic?
Yeah.
He got a silky on him. Let me see what that silky look like. Cause this silky, it's not, ain't no real silks because it's too hard of a fabric. I got like some pure silk fabric and I try to make a do-rag out of it. That shit is like heavy, like it don't lay the hair
so
down.
if it ain't no real silks, I'll catch a.
Where's that?
Oh, I just got it.
It's a blend though.
This is a blend?
This is a poly. This is a 100%. No,
I never said I never.
High
That's
key.
a honey.
You thought this was a silky?
Nah, I never said that. I said I don't like Red by Kiss.
Okay.
I don't really fuck with too many polys.
But what is this?
It got
random
this 2 years old, bro. This is 2 years old. This is a remix.
I wanted to see the silky you got.
Yeah, this is a remix. This is 2 years old. This is it. This is the only do-rag bro.
Let me take my shit.
Yeah, that's not a silky. Hey, he finally unragging.
You just shitted on remix by Rico then. This is his do rag.
I'm not shitting on nobody. I'm just telling you what that is.
Alright, bet.
My guy unragged. He got it laid down extra.
Nigga, what was you worried about, bro?
My fucking hairline.
I got a beginning wave fan member right here. He said he been waving for about 1 month so far. He just got him a chrome edition with the handle.
Yeah, you know what it is, baby.
He happy now. Show him the other brush that you had. Cause he had a different brush earlier. We're out here at Washington Square Park right here, Ocean Squad, by this arc right here. You know what I'm saying? The Big Apple.
This is the one that I have. But
Yeah.
I have another one though. It's at home.
Okay.
This is soft and medium.
Yeah, I was telling them like this is a cool brush because the bristle lineup, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty linear. Oh, let me see. Like, it's pretty linear as you can see, but the bristles are kind of soft.
But listen, this is the real deal right here.
What'd you feel about that one?
Yo, I feel so good, man. Thanks a lot.
No problem, bro.
This is the best one yet.
Have you ever had a curved brush like that before?
Never.
Yeah, man.
You know, I'm just starting to get the wave.
Okay.
And you really like encourage me to get it.
Yeah, bro. You're gonna be something different when you get your waves on swim.
Yeah, you know what it is. I think you got some more waves.
Yeah. Wavy creatures back out here. Yeah, bro. You just gotta keep brushing. The Splash Bros right here.
Oh yeah, that's a fact.
Why is my shit? Oh.
No camera today? No camera today. What's good, bro? How you doing?
Too nice June in the building. What's good with you, June?
How you feeling?
I'm feeling good, man. Wavy. Hey, you just in time, bro.
Yeah, right? Just made it. Yo, what y'all doing?
We chilling, bro. We was taking photos earlier.
Come on, let's do some more.
But he was saying like,
Spandex, yeah. I think it's probably spandex and
this not silky like this one. You see the gloss on that poly? The gloss on that poly?
they spray some sheen on it.
That's a different type of fabric.
Put some of that oil on it, some of that soap. So if you put on
They spun that fabric different. This is a silky poly, bro. He looking away. Let me. This is silky poly, bro.
Yo, June, I need a witness.
June, come here.
I need a witness. What's this?
What is this, June?
Silk.
Okay. What kind of silk is this, man?
I mean, that's so many waves silk.
I get that. There's so many waves silk,
This
but
silk
like
right here, this is we know the whole one.
This is
A1.
That shit is
yours
see-through.
not.
I can see through that shit. It's transparent. but you need that sometimes.
I can see through this one too. It's the same, bro.
Every time I wear it, I feel like
Brody,
I've seen the video. He was like, I'm only wearing this when I'm doing something dusty.
see the other lady on the other side, bro.
She was like, is that Thug Wavy? A Thug Wavy, he said he can't come to New York.
Oh, yeah. He from New York, though.
Is he? Nah. He in Cali.
He from Compton?
He from Cali, yeah, Compton.
Really?
Yeah.
I've been out there with Serena.
Alright, y'all, so I just finished this meet and greet. It was a really dope experience to meet all my waivers that are from New York, at least the ones that came out, you know what I'm saying? We got Lex out here. Say what's up, Lex.
Yo, what's good, y'all? Make sure y'all follow me at Wavy Creatures.
Follow Lex.
It's on Instagram and YouTube. Do that.
Follow her, man. She put on for the Wavy game.
Trying.
The last few Ocean Squad members that's out here. June. Everybody know June. And yeah, man. I'm gonna do more Wave family meetups in other cities when I go to them, you know what I'm saying? PA is on the list, North Carolina is on the list. If they do that Do-Rag Fest in North Carolina, I want to do that. But that hurricane though, that's the crazy part. I'll figure it out, man. Let me know, y'all, if it's cool to go back there. Anyways, y'all hit the like button, subscribe. I'm out. Deuces.